What's the meaning of actuality? Actuality. 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 The term actuality refers to the state of actually existing or being real, as opposed to mere possibility or potentiality. It is often used in contrast to concepts like potentiality or virtuality. In philosophical discourse, actuality is sometimes linked to notions of causation and determinism, the idea that events and processes are determined by existing conditions and causes. In broader usage, actuality can refer to the current state of affairs or the embodiment of a particular idea or concept in reality. Overall, the concept of actuality emphasizes the concrete reality of things as they exist in the present moment.